Welcome to the Daily Dose of AI. Today, we're covering the biggest productivity news of the week, Microsoft's new agent mode for Copilot in Word and Excel. This launch isn't just about a smarter chatbot, it's Microsoft's strategic move to enable what they call vibe working. The shift to agentic productivity. Until now, Copilot was your sidekick. You asked for a sentence and it gave you a sentence. With agent mode, Copilot evolves into a true agent. An agent doesn't just respond to a prompt. It takes a complex goal and breaks it down into multiple steps, executing the entire workflow on its own. You provide the vibe, your high-level intention, and the AI handles the friction. This capability will fundamentally change how millions of users work, turning hours of manual labor into simple requests. Life-changing examples in Excel and Word. Let's look at two specific examples of how this transforms your day. The Excel Life Changer. Think about the work involved in a quarterly report, importing data, cleaning it, building a pivot table, and then applying conditional rules. With agent mode, the process is reduced to one conversational command. Your prompt? Generate a full financial forecast for Q4. Use the raw data from the /Q3 sales file, create a pivot table showing regional performance, and highlight any forecasts where the margin drops below 15%. The agent automatically imports the data, builds the entire spreadsheet structure, writes the formulas, runs the analysis, and applies the formatting, eliminating the need for advanced user expertise in minutes. The Word Life Changer. In Word, the agent conquers the tedious task of multi-source document updates. Your prompt? Update this monthly report. Take the latest numbers from the /SEP data pool email, summarize the key highlights compared to the /August report, and insert a bulleted list of next steps based on the project meeting notes. The agent pulls text and figures from 3 separate files, handles the comparison and summarization, and executes complex document formatting. This turns a complex 2-hour clerical task into a single 2-minute prompt, freeing up your time for strategic thinking. The vibe working revolution. This deployment of AI agents is the biggest productivity jump we've seen in years. It's no longer about simple automation. It's about delegation. Microsoft is defining the future where we set the goal and our digital agents handle the heavy lifting, allowing us to focus on the truly important work. This move truly separates the leaders from the followers in the AI race. The end of single-step AI prompts is here, and the beginning of a true productivity revolution has arrived. How do you think?